If you're not using AI to edit and produce your videos in 2026, then you're doing things the hard way, which is why I'm going to tell you about the Fliki AI application and how you can install it on your device. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and type in Fliki AI to begin your search. Now, from the search results, tap on Fliki AI Video Editor, and you can check the application details if you wish within the About This App section. To install the app, tap on the Install button and wait for a while until the process is completed. You can also enable the Auto Open toggle, which will automatically open up the application once the installation is completed. Once the application is launched, you will have the option to sign up using either your email address or your Google account. Proceed with either one of these features to start using the Fliki AI application to begin producing your videos right away. And there you have it. That is how you can download and install the Fliki AI application on your smartphone. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.